morning, guys, and welcome to another college day in my life. Today is Thursday. I had Monday and Tuesday off this week as our fall recess, and then Wednesdays I normally don't have class anyways, so it was a nice little break from school, and it allowed me to get all my study guides done, study for whatever midterms I had, hand in any assignments, and also I went to the concert and was able to just really balance everything out perfectly. So on Monday I had to submit my cross-culture class. We had a midterm, but it was in an essay format, so I had to submit that. I submitted that on Sunday though, just so that I didn't have to worry about it Monday, because Monday was a concert, and she actually already graded it. I got a 95, so I'm really happy about that. So today is Thursday, and today I have my two classes. I have my interview strategies class, and then I also have social psychology. So today I have my interview strategies midterm, so I've been studying for that. He didn't really he kind of made the study guide in class, if that makes sense. He gave us a whole list of the topics, and then we just went in depth in the topics and what we need to know about them. So he said that was all we need to know for the exam. Don't go crazy studying anything else, just focus on that and you'll do good. So that's what I'm about to do right now, and study, because I have 30 minutes before I need to get going to class. It starts at 10, and I just made myself a nice cup of coffee, so now I'm ready to look this over again. Also, don't mind that it's super messy. Normally I would rewrite it, because this is everything that he spoke about in class and my hand was about to fall off. So it starts from here, and it's all of this, but as you see, there's bullets, little bullets. It's not really a lot to study. It's kind of almost not definitions, I want to say, but similar. It just has to, he gave us a topic and we know what it's about, and so it's it looks like it's a lot, but each bullet point is its own thing, and it's not that difficult. And I just highlighted some stuff yesterday. As you can see, I go a little crazy when I'm highlighting, but I also made little notes. This was all while I was at work as well. I studied and brought my book to work so I can highlight and stuff. I was gonna rewrite it and just help me memorize it more, but we were busy at work, so I didn't really have time to, and I kind of got lazy, and I was just I'm just gonna read over it a bunch of times. But I would say that highlighting really does help me just focus on key important things. And so yeah, he kind of just didn't really give us a study guide. Usually I would take the study guide and insert my notes from class and stuff, but this is fun too. It's super easy, super simple stuff we learned throughout the semester already, and that I've already kind of memorized, and some of it's common sense stuff, so should be fine. Alright guys, I just finished my exam, and I'm sitting in this little thing before you walk into the building, basically, because it's so windy out. And I finished my exam, and I'm so mad because I got one wrong. I just checked the textbook online and my notes, and I know I got one wrong. There were some that were a little bit confusing, and I think I guessed right, because when I checked it made sense. So hopefully one wrong still puts me at a decent spot. Alright guys, it's been a little while later now, and after I came home from school, I had lunch, and I went to a volleyball game, and now I'm back home. I'm gonna shower and do some fall things, baking the fall little sugar cookies. You guys definitely know what I'm talking about. And just have a really chill night, because I don't have school tomorrow. I had a midterm today, so it's my day of relaxing after studying and preparing for this exam. And then tomorrow I will continue to study for my exam on Monday. But so today's gonna be chill. I'm still gonna study tonight a little bit, but not be as stressed. I'll have my cookies, probably watch a Halloween movie, have a really nice festive little night routine tonight, and right now I'm going to shower. It's the first thing I'm gonna do. Shower and get into something comfy, probably put on my robe or something and literally bake. So let's go and shower and start off this night. Also, it's nice because I printed out my study guide, so I don't really need to like go in a book or like do anything online. I could just look at my little study guide packet. So let's shower now, and I need to wash my hair actually, so it's gonna take me a little bit, but we gotta do it. Alright guys, I just had a couple of cookies, and there's definitely going to be leftover for tomorrow because there was a lot, and only really like me and my brother and my sister eat them. So yeah, and as you can tell, I'm in my nice comfy robe. I'm ready to relax for the rest of the night. It is 8 o'clock. Tomorrow I don't have school, as you guys know. It's Friday, but I don't want to feel guilty about not studying and not using my time wisely tonight, because I am gonna like relax, and I think I'm gonna watch a Halloween movie to end my night. But I am gonna do some studying tonight. I have my next exam on Monday, so I have the whole weekend to like hardcore study. I've been studying already for the past like week, especially while I was filling this out. It's just all like getting the process of memorization activated. But I'm going to sit here and study. It's a big packet, but like a lot of the stuff is, I wouldn't say common sense, but like I learned forensics in high school before, so like most of the stuff is like being reiterated, and so like I kind of remember. It's not hard stuff if you like focus and all of that. If you guys want like a more in-depth video of how I study, I did talk about it in my other vlog, but I can do like a really in-depth one. Let me know down below. That was just really weird. But yeah, I'm gonna do some studying, and then I'll have a really chill night afterwards. Alright guys, I finished studying for the night, and I like highlighted the rest of the chapters, and I went over it again, and now it is 9:20, and I'm going to watch a Halloween movie and end off this little college day in my life / little fall activities day, because I did have finally my fall cookies that I love, little Halloween ones. And I just had a really chill but like productive and fun college day, even though I had an exam and to study. But I want to do more like just college days in my life and just show you guys, you know, every day, because I'm able to be more specific and talk to you about each class that way, and I really want to get into doing that more often. So definitely next week I will start doing more. This week I had Monday and Tuesday off, as well as Wednesday because I don't have class, so I just did today because it's Thursday. But next week I will definitely do like daily vlogs, college days in my life, and I can just get more into like the school aspect for those of you who are also in college or high school and need some like tips or advice, or see how I go about my college days. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.